Hi students, today I am going to discuss class 10 topic state syllabus, periodic table and electronic configuration. Then we have, according to modern theories of atomic structure, electron revolve in a three-dimensional region around the nucleus. Then each main energy level has sub-levels or subshells. Then these subshells, there are regions where there is high probability of finding electrons and known as orbitals. Then we have subshells S, P, D and F. It is related to some certain properties. It is related to some atomic spectra of elements. Then these subshells denote S sharp, P principal, then D diffuse, F fundamental. Like that it will denote, and S, P, D, F are subshells of the shells. Then we have K, L, M and N are, we have shells also. Then we have periodic table. Periodic table, each and every element will have some atomic number. It will denote it as right side, this top side, some numbers will be there. These are atomic numbers, that is number of electrons or number of protons. Then today I am going to discuss how we will write electronic configuration of each and every element. Then some elements I will discuss. Then we have some type of pattern here. We have to write like this: 1s, 2s, 2p, like that we have to write some pattern. Then according to this pattern we will have this electronic configuration. Then these are number of shells. These are the number of shells. These numbers denote the shell number. Then like this we have to write the pattern here. Then 1s, 2s, 2p. Then straight we have to write 2s, 2p. Then 3s, 3p, 3d. We have to write straight. 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f. Then 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f. Then 6s, 6p, 6d. In a straight line we have to write each and every these subshells. Then 7s, 7p. Like that we have to write. Then it will, this 1s will denote. Then according to this pattern we will write the some electronic configuration that I will discuss now. Then with some electronic configuration we will discuss. Then we have nitrogen, fluorine, then sodium, then aluminum, chlorine and argon. Then we have atomic numbers on the top right side, this is atomic number. Then according to that we have to write the, according to this we have to write, according to this pattern we have to write the electronic configuration. Then first one is 7, it is atomic number. Then 1s2. Then this S shell will accommodate maximum 2 electrons. Then we have to write 1s2. Here also 1s2. Then next thing is 2s2p. 2s2p. Then that is 2s2. 2s2 here. Then 2p. Then now it is 4 electron. Then remaining 3. You have to write here. P will contain maximum 6 electrons. Then F9 we have to write 1s2, then 2s2, then 2p, then now 4, it is total 9. Then we have 2p 5. Then maximum 9 electron. Total we have 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5 9. 9 we will have. The next one is 11. Then we can write 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 2p6, 2p6. Then now it is 10. Then next one is 3s1, 3s1. Like that we have to write. That is 1s, 2s, 2p and 3s, 3, 1s, 2s. The next one is 2p, 3s. Like that we have to write. Then after that aluminum 1s2. Then next one is 2s2, then 2p6, then 3s2, 3p1, then maximum it is 13, then 2 plus 2 4, 10, then 2 12 plus 1 13, then we will have 17 chlorine. Then we have 1s2, 2s2, then 2p6, then 3s2, then 3p, then chlorine 17 it is, then 10 plus 2 12, 3p, the next one is 3p 12 plus 3p 6, then 4s 1, then total 17 it is. The next one is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and 3s2 18 it is, then 3p6. Then according to this pattern we have to write each and every subshells. Then we can write the pattern, then we can write each and every this electronic configuration. Thank you, students.